Hey there, golfers. Welcome back to Information House, your go-to channel for in-depth gear reviews. Today, we're teeing off with a brand new lineup of the top 5 best golf balls of 2025. Whether you're chasing extra distance, dialing in that perfect spin around the greens, or simply looking for the best value for your rounds, I've got you covered. We'll dive into what makes each ball tick: construction, launch, feel, spin, and what kind of player will benefit most. I'll also drop direct links in the description below so you can check out each one for yourself. So grab your driver, hit the range, and let's find your perfect ball for the new season. Let's play. 5. Srixon Soft Feel Golf Ball. Looking for a golf ball that combines incredible distance with a soft, premium feel? The Soft Feel Bright delivers just that. Its fast layer core features a soft center that gradually transitions to a firm outer edge, giving you that perfect balance of soft feel and powerful distance off the tee. The 338 speed dimple pattern helps you go farther and perform better in the wind by reducing drag and increasing lift. Plus, with matte visual performance, you can choose from bright red, orange, or green for maximum visibility on every shot. And thanks to its soft, thin cover, you'll enjoy more greenside spin and an ultra-smooth feel on every pitch, chip, and putt. 4. Wilson Golf Ball. Unleash maximum distance and precision. This golf ball is engineered for performance, featuring a high-energy core that powers long-distance flights like never before. Its low-compression technology delivers an incredibly soft feel on every shot, giving you the control you crave. Designed for tour-level accuracy, the specially crafted inner cover minimizes ball spin to help you go farther with pinpoint precision. Plus, the spin-reducing dimple pattern technology cuts down on hooks and slices, keeping your shots straighter, longer, and more consistent. Perfect for golfers who demand distance, control, and feel in every swing. 3. Callaway Golf Super Soft Golf Ball. Increased ball speed with a soft feel. The hyper-elastic soft fast core is specially engineered to give you faster driver and iron speeds, all while maintaining that smooth, soft touch around the greens. Experience exceptional feel, control, and spin combined with incredible distance thanks to the Supersoft's hybrid cover, designed for both performance and durability. Plus, the new cover system takes your greenside spin and control to the next level, giving you unmatched precision on approach shots and short game shots. Perfect for golfers who want the best of both worlds, long distance and soft feel. 2. Titleist Pro V1X Left Dash Golf Ball. Experience increased drop and stop short game control like never before. Designed with a fast, low-spin casing layer and an advanced ZS process core, this ball delivers extraordinary distance while maintaining a consistent, stable flight through every swing. Whether you're hitting off the tee or approaching the green, enjoy precise control, soft feel, and the confidence to drop and stop exactly where you want. Perfect for golfers who demand both power and precision in their game. 1. TaylorMade Golf Ball. Introducing the React Speedcore golf balls, engineered for explosive distance and a softer, more responsive feel. Featuring a new extended flight dimple pattern for longer, more stable trajectories, and a 2-layer construction with an iron armor cover that delivers mid-launch, max distance, and mid-high spin control for all-around performance. Experience the perfect balance of power and precision with every swing. Plus, the new Plus Alignment Aid helps you line up your shots with confidence. Each box includes 4 sleeves of 3 balls, giving you 12 premium golf balls built to elevate your game. All right, golfers, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best golf balls of 2025. Whether you're looking for more distance, better spin control, or premium feel, there's something here for every player. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next gear review. You can find all the product links down below in the description. Check them out for the latest deals and prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep swinging and play your best game.